每天练习英语听、说、练，与我们一起提升你的语言技能。完成后，在我们的应用程式里多加练习。免费，连结在下方。开始练习吧。
I bought a new blender yesterday. I bought a new blender yesterday.
我昨天买了一台新的果汁机。
I bought a new blender yesterday. I bought a new blender yesterday. Maria uses the toaster every morning. Maria uses the toaster every morning.
Maria 每天早上都用烤面包机。
Maria uses the toaster every morning. Maria uses the toaster every morning. The coffee maker is on the counter. The coffee maker is on the counter.
咖啡机放在流理台上。
The coffee maker is on the counter. The coffee maker is on the counter. He loves using the air fryer. He loves using the air fryer.
他很喜欢用气炸锅。
He loves using the air fryer. He loves using the air fryer. We need a new microwave. We need a new microwave.
我们需要一台新的微波炉。
We need a new microwave. We need a new microwave. Can you pass me the can opener? Can you pass me the can opener?
你可以把开罐器递给我吗？
Can you pass me the can opener? Can you pass me the can opener? James cleaned the juicer after breakfast. James cleaned the juicer after breakfast.
James 早餐后清洗了果汁机。
James cleaned the juicer after breakfast. James cleaned the juicer after breakfast. The food processor saves a lot of time. The food processor saves a lot of time.
食物处理机节省了很多时间。
The food processor saves a lot of time. The food processor saves a lot of time. I use the slow cooker for stews. I use the slow cooker for stews.
我用慢炖锅来煮炖菜。
I use the slow cooker for stews. I use the slow cooker for stews. Samantha chopped onions with the food chopper. Samantha chopped onions with the food chopper.
Samantha 用切菜器切洋葱。
Samantha chopped onions with the food chopper. Samantha chopped onions with the food chopper. Do you have a rice cooker? Do you have a rice cooker?
你有电锅吗？
Do you have a rice cooker? Do you have a rice cooker? The kettle is boiling. The kettle is boiling.
水壶正在煮水。
The kettle is boiling. The kettle is boiling. Lisa made smoothies in the blender. Lisa made smoothies in the blender.
Lisa 用果汁机做了冰沙。
Lisa made smoothies in the blender. Lisa made smoothies in the blender. I can't find the measuring cups. I can't find the measuring cups.
我找不到量杯。
I can't find the measuring cups. I can't find the measuring cups. The grater is in the drawer. The grater is in the drawer.
刨丝器在抽屉里。
The grater is in the drawer. The grater is in the drawer. Peter used the hand mixer for the cake. Peter used the hand mixer for the cake.
Peter 用手持搅拌器做蛋糕。
Peter used the hand mixer for the cake. Peter used the hand mixer for the cake. This waffle maker is easy to use. This waffle maker is easy to use.
这台松饼机很好用。
This waffle maker is easy to use. This waffle maker is easy to use. The stand mixer is very heavy. The stand mixer is very heavy.
立式搅拌机很重。
The stand mixer is very heavy. The stand mixer is very heavy. Where is the garlic press? Where is the garlic press?
大蒜压在哪里？
Where is the garlic press? Where is the garlic press? Anna bought a new set of mixing bowls. Anna bought a new set of mixing bowls.
Anna 买了一组新的搅拌碗。
Anna bought a new set of mixing bowls. Anna bought a new set of mixing bowls. The electric skillet cooks food evenly. The electric skillet cooks food evenly.
电煎锅煮食很均匀。
The electric skillet cooks food evenly. The electric skillet cooks food evenly. Please plug in the toaster oven. Please plug in the toaster oven.
请把小烤箱插上电。
Please plug in the toaster oven. Please plug in the toaster oven. We store the cutting board near the sink. We store the cutting board near the sink.
我们把砧板放在水槽附近。
We store the cutting board near the sink. We store the cutting board near the sink. I like using the electric kettle for tea. I like using the electric kettle for tea.
我喜欢用电热水壶泡茶。
I like using the electric kettle for tea. I like using the electric kettle for tea. Ben washed the colander after lunch. Ben washed the colander after lunch.
Ben 午餐后洗了滤水篮。
Ben washed the colander after lunch. Ben washed the colander after lunch. The ice cream maker is fun to use. The ice cream maker is fun to use.
冰淇淋机很好玩。
The ice cream maker is fun to use. The ice cream maker is fun to use. My mom loves her pressure cooker. My mom loves her pressure cooker.
我妈妈很喜欢她的压力锅。
My mom loves her pressure cooker. My mom loves her pressure cooker. Can you find the egg slicer? Can you find the egg slicer?
你可以找到切蛋器吗？
Can you find the egg slicer? Can you find the egg slicer? This peeler works really well. This peeler works really well.
这个削皮器很好用。
This peeler works really well. This peeler works really well. The sandwich maker is very handy. The sandwich maker is very handy.
三明治机非常方便。
The sandwich maker is very handy. The sandwich maker is very handy. I need a new digital kitchen scale. I need a new digital kitchen scale.
我需要一台新的电子厨房秤。
I need a new digital kitchen scale. I need a new digital kitchen scale. They used the immersion blender for soup. They used the immersion blender for soup.
他们用手持果汁机打汤。
They used the immersion blender for soup. They used the immersion blender for soup. The citrus juicer is in the cupboard. The citrus juicer is in the cupboard.
榨干机在橱柜里。
The citrus juicer is in the cupboard. The citrus juicer is in the cupboard. Michelle uses the salad spinner every day. Michelle uses the salad spinner every day.
Michelle 每天都用脱水器。
Michelle uses the salad spinner every day. Michelle uses the salad spinner every day. The rolling pin is in the top drawer. The rolling pin is in the top drawer.
擀面棍在最上层的抽屉里。
The rolling pin is in the top drawer. The rolling pin is in the top drawer. Do we have a whisk? Do we have a whisk?
我们有打蛋器吗？
Do we have a whisk? Do we have a whisk? He put the bread in the toaster. He put the bread in the toaster.
他把面包放进烤面包机。
He put the bread in the toaster. He put the bread in the toaster. Her espresso machine makes great coffee. Her espresso machine makes great coffee.
他的浓缩咖啡机煮出来的咖啡很好喝。
Her espresso machine makes great coffee. Her espresso machine makes great coffee. The ladle is hanging on the wall. The ladle is hanging on the wall.
汤勺挂在墙上。
The ladle is hanging on the wall. The ladle is hanging on the wall. I use the tongs when grilling. I use the tongs when grilling.
我烤肉时会用夹子。
I use the tongs when grilling. I use the tongs when grilling. This cheese slicer is very sharp. This cheese slicer is very sharp.
这个起司切片器很锋利。
This cheese slicer is very sharp. This cheese slicer is very sharp. The spice grinder is easy to clean. The spice grinder is easy to clean.
香料研磨机很好清洗。
The spice grinder is easy to clean. The spice grinder is easy to clean. My dad loves his popcorn maker. My dad loves his popcorn maker.
我爸爸很喜欢他的爆米花机。
My dad loves his popcorn maker. My dad loves his popcorn maker. The bread maker takes 3 hours. The bread maker takes 3 hours.
面包机需要3个小时。
The bread maker takes 3 hours. The bread maker takes 3 hours. Where is the meat thermometer? Where is the meat thermometer?
肉类温度计在哪里？
Where is the meat thermometer? Where is the meat thermometer? We made pancakes with the electric griddle. We made pancakes with the electric griddle.
我们用电煎盘煎了松饼。
We made pancakes with the electric griddle. We made pancakes with the electric griddle. The electric can opener is broken. The electric can opener is broken.
电动开罐器坏了。
The electric can opener is broken. The electric can opener is broken. Jake bought a new kitchen timer. Jake bought a new kitchen timer.
Jake 买了一个新的厨房计时器。
Jake bought a new kitchen timer. Jake bought a new kitchen timer. I use the sieve for flour. I use the sieve for flour.
我用筛网筛面粉。
I use the sieve for flour. I use the sieve for flour. The baking sheet is in the oven. The baking sheet is in the oven.
烤盘在烤箱里。
The baking sheet is in the oven. The baking sheet is in the oven. That potato masher is very useful. That potato masher is very useful.
那个压马铃薯器很实用。
That potato masher is very useful. That potato masher is very useful. We need new oven mitts. We need new oven mitts.
我们需要新的隔热手套。
We need new oven mitts. We need new oven mitts. The measuring spoons are missing. The measuring spoons are missing.
量匙不见了。
The measuring spoons are missing. The measuring spoons are missing. I keep the utensils in a holder. I keep the utensils in a holder.
我把餐具放在一个收纳架里。
I keep the utensils in a holder. I keep the utensils in a holder. She uses a mandolin for slicing. She uses a mandolin for slicing.
她用切片器切菜。
She uses a mandolin for slicing. She uses a mandolin for slicing. The pizza cutter is in the drawer. The pizza cutter is in the drawer.
披萨刀在抽屉里。
The pizza cutter is in the drawer. The pizza cutter is in the drawer. We bought a new electric knife. We bought a new electric knife.
我们买了一把新的电动刀。
We bought a new electric knife. We bought a new electric knife. He uses the milk frother every morning. He uses the milk frother every morning.
他每天早上都用奶泡机。
He uses the milk frother every morning. He uses the milk frother every morning. The butter dish was on the table. The butter dish was on the table.
奶油盒在桌子上。
The butter dish was on the table. The butter dish was on the table. I washed the dish rack. I washed the dish rack.
我洗了碗架。
I washed the dish rack. I washed the dish rack. The faucet has a water filter. The faucet has a water filter.
水龙头有装滤水器。
The faucet has a water filter. The faucet has a water filter. The trash compactor is full. The trash compactor is full.
垃圾压缩机满了。
The trash compactor is full. The trash compactor is full. The dishwasher is running. The dishwasher is running.
洗碗机正在运作。
The dishwasher is running. The dishwasher is running. Emily wiped the kitchen scale. Emily wiped the kitchen scale.
Emily 擦了厨房秤。
Emily wiped the kitchen scale. Emily wiped the kitchen scale. I love our new induction cooktop. I love our new induction cooktop.
我喜欢我们新的电磁炉。
I love our new induction cooktop. I love our new induction cooktop. The spice rack is full. The spice rack is full.
香料架满了。
The spice rack is full. The spice rack is full. He dropped the mixing spoon. He dropped the mixing spoon.
他掉了搅拌匙。
He dropped the mixing spoon. He dropped the mixing spoon. The kitchen shears are very sharp. The kitchen shears are very sharp.
厨房剪刀很锋利。
The kitchen shears are very sharp. The kitchen shears are very sharp. We cleaned the blender pitcher. We cleaned the blender pitcher.
我们清洗了果汁机的壶。
We cleaned the blender pitcher. We cleaned the blender pitcher. The griddle heats up fast. The griddle heats up fast.
煎盘加热得很快。
The griddle heats up fast. The griddle heats up fast. She used the cookie scoop. She used the cookie scoop.
她用了饼干勺。
She used the cookie scoop. She used the cookie scoop. This strainer is perfect for pasta. This strainer is perfect for pasta.
这个滤网很适合煮意大利面。
This strainer is perfect for pasta. This strainer is perfect for pasta. Our toaster has 4 slots. Our toaster has 4 slots.
我们的烤面包机有4个槽。
Our toaster has 4 slots. Our toaster has 4 slots. The electric grill is outside. The electric grill is outside.
电烤盘放在外面。
The electric grill is outside. The electric grill is outside. She uses the timer on her phone. She uses the timer on her phone.
她用手机的计时器。
She uses the timer on her phone. She uses the timer on her phone. We need to replace the peeler. We need to replace the peeler.
我们需要换一个削皮器。
We need to replace the peeler. We need to replace the peeler. The knife sharpener works great. The knife sharpener works great.
磨刀器效果很好。
The knife sharpener works great. The knife sharpener works great. Where is the bottle opener? Where is the bottle opener?
开瓶器在哪里？
Where is the bottle opener? Where is the bottle opener? He put the lid on the pot. He put the lid on the pot.
他把锅盖盖上了。
He put the lid on the pot. He put the lid on the pot. We keep the gadgets in a drawer. We keep the gadgets in a drawer.
我们把小工具放在抽屉里。
We keep the gadgets in a drawer. We keep the gadgets in a drawer. I bought a new water filter pitcher. I bought a new water filter pitcher.
我买了一个新的滤水壶。
I bought a new water filter pitcher. I bought a new water filter pitcher. We cleaned the crumb tray. We cleaned the crumb tray.
我们清理了面包屑托盘。
We cleaned the crumb tray. We cleaned the crumb tray. The spoon rest is near the stove. The spoon rest is near the stove.
汤匙架在炉子旁边。
The spoon rest is near the stove. The spoon rest is near the stove. He turned on the food processor. He turned on the food processor.
他打开了食物处理机。
He turned on the food processor. He turned on the food processor. The egg beater is in the cabinet. The egg beater is in the cabinet.
打蛋器在橱柜里。
The egg beater is in the cabinet. The egg beater is in the cabinet. Jenny uses the panini press for sandwiches. Jenny uses the panini press for sandwiches.
Jenny 用帕尼尼机做三明治。
Jenny uses the panini press for sandwiches. Jenny uses the panini press for sandwiches. We keep the juicer in the pantry. We keep the juicer in the pantry.
我们把果汁机放在储藏室里。
We keep the juicer in the pantry. We keep the juicer in the pantry. The electric chopper saves time. The electric chopper saves time.
电动切菜器很省时。
The electric chopper saves time. The electric chopper saves time. I use the scale for sugar. I use the scale for sugar.
我用秤量了糖。
I use the scale for sugar. I use the scale for sugar. The cake stand is beautiful. The cake stand is beautiful.
蛋糕架很漂亮。
The cake stand is beautiful. The cake stand is beautiful. The kitchen timer beeped. The kitchen timer beeped.
厨房计时器响了。
The kitchen timer beeped. The kitchen timer beeped. She used the funnel for the bottle. She used the funnel for the bottle.
她用漏斗把液体倒进瓶子里。
She used the funnel for the bottle. She used the funnel for the bottle. He plugged in the deep fryer. He plugged in the deep fryer.
他插上了油炸锅的电源。
He plugged in the deep fryer. He plugged in the deep fryer. The steamer basket is in the pot. The steamer basket is in the pot.
蒸篮在锅子里。
The steamer basket is in the pot. The steamer basket is in the pot. I found the spatula under the lid. I found the spatula under the lid.
我在锅盖下找到了锅铲。
I found the spatula under the lid. I found the spatula under the lid. Our new kitchen gadgets are great. Our new kitchen gadgets are great.
我们的新厨房小工具很棒。
Our new kitchen gadgets are great. Our new kitchen gadgets are great. The microwave is very fast. The microwave is very fast.
微波炉非常快。
The microwave is very fast. The microwave is very fast. He set the timer for 5 minutes. He set the timer for 5 minutes.
他把计时器设为5分钟。
He set the timer for 5 minutes. He set the timer for 5 minutes. The air fryer cooks quickly. The air fryer cooks quickly.
气炸锅煮得很快。
The air fryer cooks quickly. The air fryer cooks quickly. She stored the crock pot away. She stored the crock pot away.
她把慢炖锅收起来了。
She stored the crock pot away. She stored the crock pot away.
感谢观看，订阅我们的频道并开启通知，及时获取新视频，持续你的英语学习之旅。